have a clothing drawer and an oud. Again, you have to take the clothing out, close up the back so that the sound will reverberate inside the body. This little fancy is a doily, actually. In Turkey, they're carved horn. And I just pasted the doily inside the drawer oud. I cut it out of the center, go to Grandma's closet or something, and take one of these paper doilies and cut the center out. You have to make a neck for the oud. It has some strings. Just stick some pegs in the top, make a bridge, and you have an oud.